Hey, what's going on, guys? So I want to do a video on as far as like when it comes to like options, when it comes to investing in certain markets. Are you heavily invested in the crypto market? Are you heavily invested in the stock market? Is you heavily invested in buying gold or silver or even platinum? What is the market that you invest the most, or you? Cause one thing I'm hating a lot is team like did this fan base, like this type of fan base, like team crypto, team stock, team gold, team silver. It's like any investment opportunity is an opportunity as long as you do the work and research. It shouldn't be no team nothing when it comes to investment. If it's an opportunity that you can invest in, that you, like I said, put in the work and put in the time and learning what's like learning these type of markets. It shouldn't be no team nothing. It should be team investment. If you want to say there's a team investment, because everybody is, especially the world we live in, you know especially in my community, they never teach us this when it comes to, yeah, we hear about it when we was in school, but nobody never teaches about, buying stocks, buying crypto, buying gold, buying silver. We had to learn. I'm learning this in my late early 30s, because as somebody, back in the day, I was only focusing on working, partying, and living my life, not knowing that, I wasn't told to, like, build my financial freedom, like, build my, you know like, build for my future. So, I just think, everybody should take the time to figure out what's the, like, all the markets, not just crypto, not just stock, not just gold and silver. Look at all the markets and see what's the best option for you for now, and then, and just go from there.